Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this delicious palak chicken. This came out really well and it went well with rice. It also went well with chapati. Do definitely try out this recipe and let's get started and check out the recipe. Take 450 grams of boneless chicken. Add salt as per your taste, pepper powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Marinate them for 15 minutes. Take 5 teaspoon of mustard oil or any other oil, then add some whole spices. Add cumin seeds half teaspoon, 2 finely chopped onion. Cook them in medium flame for 5 minutes. Salt as per your taste and red chili powder half teaspoon. Add minced ginger and garlic 2 teaspoon. You can also replace it with ginger garlic paste. Cook them. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Again 1 tomato puree. Cook in medium flame for 5 minutes till tomato gets soft. Now add half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix them well. Keep the flame medium so that the masala will not burn. Add the chicken pieces. Now this chicken is soft, so I am cooking it only for 15 minutes. If you are using the bone chicken, then cook it till it's completely get cooked. Then only you will be adding the palak puree. So this will take only 15 minutes for me to get cooked. Now I am making spinach puree of 1 bunch of spinach. So these are baby spinach I have used. I am not blanching them. If you want, you can also blanch them and then make a puree and add it. So this will be around 1 cup of spinach puree. So just add it to pan and do not cover the pan because otherwise the color will be dark. Spinach color will get dark. So then now cook it for another 10 minutes in medium flame and you should be done. Just add some water as per the gravy required. I am adding around half cup of water here and cooking them for 10 minutes and it should be done. Adding a dry red chili for garnishing and it's ready to serve. Do definitely try out this recipe and let me know your comment in the feedback section. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.